Alright, got the Eurosport Daytona. This is the lower grille for your front of your Hummer. Gonna unbox this puppy and check it out. Ooh, baby. Okay, we've cleaned the surface to put this baby in, so we're just about getting ready to install. Okay, you spend money on this piece, you don't want to lose it. So what I do is I go ahead and mount mounting screws on there, and you have a permanent fix. But you're going to have one here, and you're going to have one up here, then you have this screw here, and you're going to have one up here. That'll be 4 screws to hold that down for you. You never have to worry about losing your investment. Okay, there you go. There's your final installation. In case you guys were deciding on whether you want to get one of these lower front grille covers. It comes with the 3M, it comes with the 3M tape. It comes with the 3M tape, but you can also, insert some screws. I went ahead and put screws in just so you don't have to worry about losing your investment. Hope this helped you out and give you some knowledge if you want to buy this product. And we'll see you next time on Hummer Games.